How do hurricanes form? Number one, hurricanes form in tropical regions where the ocean is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. These waters evaporate, creating warm, moist air, which acts as fuel for the storm. Number two, many hurricanes in the U.S. form from disturbances that develop over Africa and blow westward across the tropical Atlantic, where waters are warm. Number three, the warm, moist air rises high into the atmosphere, where it begins to cool. Water vapor condenses back into liquid droplets and form big, stormy, anvil shaped clouds. Number four, as warm air rises, the wind begins blowing in a circle. The spiraling wind gathers a cluster of clouds. Number five, once the spinning wind reaches 74 miles per hour, the storm has officially become a hurricane. These storms can be 10 miles high and over 1,000 miles across. Number six, if a hurricane hits land, it runs out of warm, moist air and its winds decrease, but it can still cause lots of damage, especially from flooding. You do not, absolutely do not want to be in a hurricane.